Welcome this video title Smart Dining Table Idea Maximum Space and Style. Introducing in today's fast paced world. Smart living room have become increasingly common make effect and style furniture choice make more critical than every smart dining table RB Pro example of this often a perfect solution of those with limited room space. Void the idea of host a dining part in a think apartment mid scene plants that are plants of create a way to make it work. We will explore our very own smart dining table idea that not only maximizes space but also add a touch of style to your house. Round dining table. Round dining table are another excellent choice of smart space. Those lock of shape, customs, and compact shape make them a fantastic other of choosing dining notes and apartment with limited square foot average. Round dining table come to valid size and material often versatile design other to match your personal style. Multifunctional dining table to maximize the utility of your dining table other of a multifunctional design. Those tables often can with the height, story, transforming, comparable, and adjustable height. Some can combine into a coffee table or did make theme and vertical add to your living space. Invite in a table with multi-functional element that you make the most of out of your smart dining area. Transparent dining table. Dining table are lesson. Dining table are excellent choice of smart dining area. Those see throughout design create a scene of operating and spaciousness in the room. The transparent of the table allow lights to pass through, make the space for brightness, paint, and transparent. Table with high weight chair to maintenance an area and open field in your dining area. Slim profile dining table. Slim profile dining table are designed to take up your little space and probability words with other of functional dining surface. Those tables are physically need honor. Then starting dining table make theme idea for of tried space. You can find theme version style from modern to rustic input. You can main entrance your desired static in your home. Bare height bare height dining table, also known as fold table, are great other of smart dining area. Then create a more custom dining expert wide safe space where stone tall chair font professional with those table and those elevate height add a touch of signification to the space. Adding the height set can make the more field more open by draw and eyes up awing. Fold out console table. Console table with fold out dining sofas and professional of those who need versus dining space but when the main entrance and yogurt living area those table start with compact console table and can be expanded into full design table when need. Those are a fashionable and stylish solution of smart apartment or studio living. Conclusion living in a space do not mean you have a professional style and functional with a pattern of smart dining table other available can make create a choosy and inviting dining area. Those sub to well moment solved and multi functional design those are partition of innovate design idea to maximize space in your house.